Welcome to the series teaching you how to save time on budget while having fun applying lean principles. In this less than 90 seconds video, you will learn how to make curry chicken home style, especially if you are on a time and budget constraint like the international students. But really, this approach can be applied by anyone. So let's get started. Total time spent in kitchen is between 10 to 15 minutes. To keep things very simple, we have applied some 5S methodologies and separated out the ingredients we'll need for making curry chicken. So we'll need salt, red pepper, turmeric powder, garlic, ginger, onion, tomatoes, green chilies for a kick, chicken, a jar and a blender. Put all your ingredients in the jar and blend them. Add some oil to the right size pan. Add the blended mixture to the pan. Add chicken and leave it by itself to cook at medium to low heat for approximately 1 hour. After approximately 1 hour, stir, add hot water, bring it to boil and enjoy.
This is yummy. If you also think this is yummy, you should make it right now.